This short video is about how to calculate the increase or decrease in speed. So this first example here, we've got a diagram of a compound gear train, 30 tooth driving a 90 tooth, which has a ratio of 3. There are 3 times more teeth on the 90 tooth gear than there are the 30 tooth. Similarly, 60 to 10, well, that's got 6 times more teeth, and in the 15 to 45, that's got 3 times more teeth. What we then do with those 3 numbers is we multiply those 3 together. So 3 times 6 is 18, times 3 will be 54, which means that this compound gear train is increasing or decreasing the speed by 54. Now, if we've got a small tooth gear driving a big tooth gear, the big tooth gear is going to have to travel slower. Again, small driving a big, small driving a big. So the fact that we've got small driving big means it's going to be 54 times slower. So what we could then do is, if we knew the speed of the motor, we could divide that by 54 to get the output speed. Similarly here, we've got another one. This time I've done it the other way around. We've got 80 tooth and 20 teeth, so that's got a ratio of 4. 10 to 60, that's got a ratio of 6. So 4 6s are 24. So therefore, it's going to be 24 times something. Now, big driving a small, that means the small one's going to have to travel faster. Big driving a small, so there we've got it 24 times faster. So again, we could use that 24 and apply it to the speed, multiply the speed of the motor by 24 times to get our output speed. The same can be true of belt drives. This time we would just be working with diameter, so you can see that this belt drive pair here have got a ratio of 4, diameter 50 goes into diameter 204 times, so it's going to be 4 times, and the input shaft over here and the output shaft over here, so this one is going, the big one always goes slower, so this is going to be going 4 times slower. So again, we could use that to apply it to the input speed. Here we've got a diagram of a worm and wheel. Now, a worm has only got 1 tooth, and it had the output worm wheel has got 60 teeth on it. So as I turn the worm wheel once, the 60 tooth gear wheel will only turn 1/60th of a turn, and so that has a ratio. I don't need to do any calculations. This one will be going times 60 times slower. Incidentally, just a wee thing about worm and wheel is that this will always be the input shaft and this will always be the output shaft. It doesn't work the other way around.